I'm going to be doing a very simple skin prep. I won't be doing much. So this is moisturizer. Moisturizer is a must. Make sure that before you go in with your makeup, you must do your moisturizer. And this is one of the best Nigerian brand we have, and it's for all skin type. So you can get this. It's recommended. I wrote it there. And this is Blossom mattifying primer. I just got it recently and I used it and I love it, so I recommend as well. Just small portion, please. If you are the type that sweats a lot, please make sure you use small, something very little. Don't use much. For me, I feel this is enough for me. This is me. After your moisturizer, the next thing you go in with your face primer. Please little, don't put too much. This is mattifying face primer. Do not put too much. Remember, we are trying to achieve a skin-like makeup. If you want yours to be very lighter than the one we're going to achieve today, you can go ahead and also minimize the way you use your product. But at the end of everything, please make sure you're not stingy with the product as well. All your part of the face, please apply, spread the products round your face, and be conscious of your brows and your eyeshadow. This is the foundation I'm going to be using for myself, NYX. It's a very nice foundation, and it's not a must you're going to use foreign foundation. You can use Nigerian brands. There are a lot of Nigerian brands you can use, which I recommended Blossom, the new formula, Veil Blossom, and Avol, the new formula as well, and so on. Anyone you can afford, but I'm going to be using this for myself. And this is my beauty blender. Please make sure your beauty blender is soft. When you buy it, make sure you first soak it inside the water. Allow it to sweat. Allow the water to soak into the beauty blender first. When the water has soaked in very well inside the beauty blender, you bring it out and squeeze the water out, and make sure that the water is entirely out of it. But at that point, the beauty blender is going to be wet and soft. Then you can go on and start applying your foundation. Who doesn't want too much of products on my face, because I want to achieve a softer look, I'm going to be using my makeup plate to bring out small portion of the foundation. I'm not bringing out too much, and I won't be going in direct with product on my face. I won't just take up the product and just put it on my face. I will just first put it on my plate. After putting it on my plate, I will use my beauty blender, take small portion, and then go in with it. Calm down while applying. But if you want to put the product directly on your face, instead of bringing it out first on a makeup plate, you can still go ahead and do it. But when you do that, please be fast in blending, so the product doesn't dry up on your face, because some products are very fast in drying. Highly mattifying products that dries fast doesn't give us enough time to blend. So go ahead and blend immediately. Do not waste much time while doing that. And if you are buying foundation, if you're not buying the one I recommended, please make sure you buy a lightweight foundation. A lightweight foundation will have a way of giving you enough chance to blend, and also give you a skin-like finishing makeup, almost your skin type. And when you're buying foundation, please make sure you test it on your skin, because everybody has different skin tone. Some people have red skin tone, some people have white skin tone, and so on. Please, you need to make sure that you are testing the foundation on your skin. Test it on your skin and make sure it's exactly your color, it's matched to your skin tone and also your shade, before you can go on and buy the product and buy the foundation. I mean, don't forget, you're going to be very conscious of your your eye, your brows, because you have already done those parts, so you can't ruin them. This time around you have to be very careful while blending your foundation. I'm trying to blend out the foundation I used on my eyebrows so that it can blend very well to the skin. I use a thick foundation on that place instead of a lightweight product, which is not bad. I do prefer using a thicker foundation for my brows so it can dry fast and also give me a very nice shapy brows. If you look at it, you can be seeing you notice that you've been seeing almost my skin because I did not put too much of the products, and the product is a very lightweight one. Make sure you take your time and blend the foundation very well into your skin. Blend very well into your skin so that your face doesn't look too heavy.